Gold's Gym is a name almost everyone knows. It's not just another fitness center, it's one of the most iconic gym brands in the world, trusted by millions of people to help them build strength, stay healthy, and live better. So, when they decided to build a mobile app for their members to take the gym experience to the next level, they came to us. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a fitness-focused app we built for one of the most recognized gym brands in the world, Gold's Gym. This app is designed for fitness trainers, bodybuilders, dietitians, and really anyone who wants to get healthier, stronger, and stay consistent with their fitness goals, all with the help of smart features and a seamless user experience. But before we jump into how it works, let's quickly talk about why this app made sense and what our client was trying to solve. Gold's Gym already has a strong reputation in the fitness world, but the goal here was bigger than just building a members-only tool. They wanted to create something that delivers value even for non-members. Something that feels like a personal trainer, a diet coach, and a gym pass, all in one mobile experience. They needed a platform that could educate users on fitness and also support business goals like lead generation and marketing performance tracking. So let me walk you through what we built. The main objective was to help Gold's Gym expand its digital reach, manage existing members, and engage non-members through content and features that educate, guide, and convert. The app also needed to function as a lightweight CRM while helping the internal team manage ad campaigns, track conversions, and use that data to optimize marketing strategies. So the product had to be informative, transactional, and operational all at the same time. So we worked closely with the Gold's Gym team to build an app that works like a fitness hub. It combines fitness education, member access, user engagement, and marketing performance, basically everything, under one roof. This wasn't just about building an app with a good UI. It had to handle real-time data, sync with smart devices, and deliver custom experiences based on different user types. So let's go feature by feature. Number 1. User profiles and fitness goals. Right after onboarding, users are guided through profile setup, where they can set goals, enter fitness stats, and even upload transformation photos. These stats can be updated anytime and serve as a quick reference for both the user and their assigned trainer. Number 2. QR Gym Pass. Each verified member is issued a unique encrypted QR code. This code is their access pass to any Gold's Gym location across India. We built a secure system that refreshes QR tokens in real time to prevent misuse and ensure fast check-ins at the gym gates. Number 3. Personalized workout and diet plans. Users can access fully personalized workout and meal plans. These are generated based on the user's fitness level, goals, and activity data. Trainers can make weekly adjustments and users get notified instantly when changes are made. Number 4. In-app messaging. We integrated a secure messaging module that allows users to directly connect with their trainers or peers. Number 5. Notifications and smart reminders. We set up real-time alerts for new challenges, event invites, unread messages, and reminders. Users can customize hydration, meal, and workout reminders based on their schedule. Number 6. Refer and earn. To support user acquisition, we built a referral engine that generates unique referral codes for each user. When a new member joins using that code, both parties get rewarded. This boosted organic user growth right after launch. Number 7. Smart wearable integration. We added support for Google Fit, allowing the app to fetch step count, sleep patterns, and overall activity level. This data is used to update daily goals and adjust plan recommendations. Syncing happens in the background every time the app is opened. Number 8. Search and filters. Lastly, we built a smart search engine with filters. Users can search workout plans, blog content, top-rated trainers, and more. Filters include goal type, difficulty level, trainer rating, and location proximity. The entire data structure here is backed by optimized MongoDB queries and index fields to ensure fast responses even as the content library grows. Now, this wasn't a plug-and-play project. We faced some real challenges during development. First, ensuring secure QR-based gym access across all Indian branches. We had to build an access system that can't be duplicated, that works offline in poor connectivity zones, and still syncs reliably with the central database. For that, we use token rotation and encryption along with branch-specific device validation to avoid misuse. If a QR is scanned twice within a short window, access is denied and flagged in the admin dashboard. The second challenge was syncing fitness data from external sources like Google Fit. These integrations often have delays or sync conflicts. We had to build fallback logic to reattempt syncs without disrupting the user flow. For this, we built a local caching system inside the app. If sync fails due to API limits or network drops, the app holds the data locally and retries silently in the background. The third challenge, building a custom ad campaign engine in the admin panel. This wasn't just about displaying ads. The client needed campaign-level analytics with lead tracking and performance filters, all without using third-party CRM tools. And for this, we developed a custom algorithm in the admin panel that maps user interaction with campaign sources. This gave the client clear visibility on which campaigns were working, what kind of users they attracted, and what conversions followed. To build Gold Gym, we used Flutter to maintain a single codebase across Android and iOS. The backend was built with Node.js using Express.js for handling API requests. For the database, we chose MongoDB because it gave us the flexibility to handle dynamic fitness plans, user logs, and campaign analytics without slowing down. And the admin panel and web-facing interfaces were built with Next.js, which gave us the performance and SEO control we needed. If we look at the final outcome, we successfully delivered a scalable and feature-rich mobile app that not only met but exceeded the expectations of the Gold's Gym team. The app is now helping thousands of users across India stay on top of their health, connect with trainers, and access Gold's Gym facilities with ease. It's also helping the business track campaign performance and increase member conversion rates. The feedback we received from Gold's Gym was extremely positive. They appreciated how smooth the onboarding was, how intuitive the app felt, and how the campaign dashboard helped their internal marketing team operate more efficiently. That's a quick look at how we helped Gold's Gym go digital with a platform built for fitness, growth, and user engagement. If you're a brand looking to build something similar in fitness, health, or any high engagement service, get in touch with us. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.